RabbitMQ is part of FlyEnv's cache and message queue group. Open its module to keep local message broker setup in one desktop app. The version tab lists RabbitMQ builds available for local installation. Choose a build and install it without managing package paths by hand. FlyEnv shows install progress, so the local environment stays easy to inspect. When it finishes, the installed build is clearly marked in the version list. The Service tab keeps installed RabbitMQ versions side by side. That makes it easier to choose the build a project needs without replacing another one. Select the version you want to run, then start it from the same service view. The Configuration tab keeps the service settings accessible inside FlyEnv. Here you can review the local node, log, data, plugin, and listener locations. The live log confirms that RabbitMQ has started and the management plugin is ready. It also shows the local listener on port 15672. Open the management interface in the browser to validate the local instance. The dashboard exposes connections, channels, exchanges, and queues for day-to-day inspection. Its admin area lets you review the local users and virtual host configuration. Back in FlyEnv, the running service is visible alongside its installed versions. Menu bar controls keep RabbitMQ close at hand while you work on the rest of your stack.